Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am Shrishti and I'm gonna do that trendy it girl hair color today. I am using L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss in the shade Salted Caramel. That is really a trendy shade right now. This product claims to be ammonia free. That is really good for maintaining your healthy hairs. So first of all, this package contains a developer that is known as a developer cream. Of course, that would be for color. Another thing is this jelly mask that is directed to use after your hair washing. We have also a packet that contains a set of plastic gloves that would be helpful for coloring our hair using our hands and not making it dirty. And last of all, we have this guide that would really help us during all the process of hair coloring. So let's get started. I am putting all the colorant into the developer as per the guide. It says to mix the whole tube inside the developer cause we need to cover whole hair. After that, I have just wet my hair and it's directed to do it on the damp hair. So now I am detangling my hair for the ease of application. Now shake the product well and make sure that the product is mixed properly. Now you have to section your hairs so that you can cover all your hairs properly. For this process, I am taking a hand from my sister and she is like covering my hair from the roots till the tips. Make sure that you're putting a good amount over your hair so that there is a good result. And of course, I was nervous for this process. I have used this hair color before but in a different shade. I think that was ice chocolate or something, but I really wanted this trendy brown Pinteresty hair color all over the internet and I'm really aiming for that hair color. I hope it turns out pretty good. I am like very nervous for the result and you can see it on my face. Now we are doing it on another side of the partition. We are making sure that we have covered our whole head and yes, we are done. And now I am using this jelly mask. This was included in the kit and I am using it after shower. So here's the result and I wasn't expecting it to turn out this great. I am just stunned and I was a little nervous but I absolutely love it. Just look at the shine. I am just like awestruck. I was really expecting this brownish trendy shade and I was not expecting it would turn out so good. I am really loving it. If you're looking forward to color your hair, so this is a great option for you. You can go for it. It's a great product and easy to apply. So if you are interested in trying out this product, I'll provide a link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for such contents. So thanks for watching and see you next time.